This video is the first of a series of how-to videos to show our customers how to navigate the new online stores, how to create their accounts, how to navigate their accounts, how to process their orders, how to use our online design tool to customize their orders, and all kinds of other information that you may or may not need as you progress through this new phase in your California Signs experience. Each of these online stores is broker specific. As you can see here on the screen, the current one we're looking at is for Willis Allen agents. As we take a quick look around this screen, you'll see our logo right next to the Willis Allen logo. This will take you right back here to the homepage if you click on that at any time. Over in the uppermost left side, you'll see our phone number. This is our standard office phone number, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Right next to that is a link to email our sales department and a link to get back to our primary website. Over here on the right side, there's a login and register link, as well as a link to your cart for once you are logged in. And here in the center, when you first get to this page, you'll see the login section, as well as a section to create an account. If we scroll down a little bit to the bottom half of the section, you'll see three subsections. First one here is the product page showing all the different offerings that we have for, in this case, Willis Allen agents. In the center, there will be links here to this and all the other videos. And then on the right side is our general contact information. You'll find our address, as well as, again, a link to email sales and our office phone number right there. Since this video is meant to show you how to create an account and to navigate your personal account, we're going to start here with this create an account button. Now, once it navigates to the next page, you'll see it looks just like any other page you've seen on creating a new account on any platform. So we're just going to enter an email address. The company name is pre-populated for the company that is associated with that online store. So you can skip that and go to the next bit of information. On the password, you'll want to make sure that is at least 8 alphanumeric characters and contains at least one number. And of course, that both passwords entered here match. Once the account has been successfully created, you'll be redirected to this page here where you can add your first address. This can be a billing address, a shipping address, or, as you can see when we scroll down, you could set this address as both your default shipping and billing address. Once this is created, your account will be finalized and you'll be able to process orders. So we're going to go here under display name. We'll just put primary, billing, and shipping. You can make that whatever you want. Do my name. For company, you could leave that blank, or if you work under like a team or group name, you're already within Willis Allen. So let's say you are CalSigns Real Estate Group. You can put that there if you wish, or you can leave it blank. Your address. Put the California Signs address. Scroll down, select your country, state, city, zip code, and you do need to put a valid phone number. And since we named this one as our primary, billing, and shipping, I'm going to go ahead and select both of these and hit Save Changes. Once you've hit that, it'll navigate you back to your primary address book, and you'll see primary shipping, all of your information there. You could change that if you like. Primary billing, all the same information, and you can change that. And this section down here will show you all addresses you've put in. So say we want to do a new shipping address. Let's say we're sending something to an office. So let's go office shipping. And street address, enter whatever you'd like. And since this is an address that we may just ship to occasionally, we're not going to select any of these options, and we're going to hit Save Changes. So now you'll see your primary shipping and billing have stayed the same, but now under all addresses, you'll see your primary billing and shipping and then office shipping. So it depends on where you want to send something during checkout, and we'll see more of that later. If we click on this button here, it says your account. You'll see items on your wish list. We just created this account, so we haven't added anything. If you have any recent orders, you'll see them there. Your address book, the email address you've used for your account profile, and if you have any saved credit cards on file, you'll see them there. We mentioned the wish list. You can click that and view that here. If you click here under order history, this will show all the orders you've placed since you created your account. Then over here on edit profile, you can also edit anything else. I'm going to go ahead and put phone number here. This does not auto-populate the phone number you put in elsewhere for some reason. So we do recommend going ahead and put it here, because then that will transfer over to our main database as well. So in case we do need to get a hold of you, then that's there.